What's up, guys? Luke, producer AB. How you guys doing? Good afternoon.
You're here with us. Wait, what's going on in the background? Is that
Well,
like
I'm looking at my usual tickers. I got my futures, I got my oil, I got the SPY, and what's the other one? And my oil tickers, knowing the oil futures. I'm a big oil trader, basically, going long and short, mainly on a stock called MRO. It's one of my favorite plays.
All right,
it always has these nice up moves and then nice moves to the downside, long or short. It always prints money.
Okay, all right. Wait, so the four you have gold, SPY, oil, and what was the last one?
No, I got the SPY. I got MRO, my ticker. I got the futures market, and I got the futures on oil.
Okay, all right. I like it. But before we dig into that, because I want to talk about the MRO trade again, that's marathon, correct?
No, that's marathon oil.
Yeah. Okay. So before we get into that trade, just give us a little bit of your background, your trading style, etc.
Sure. I'm called the professor. I basically teach people on YouTube and Instagram. I go live, teaching them how to day trade the safe way. I stay away from penny stocks. I'm mainly a blue chip trader. I pick 3 stocks that have nice spreads, that move nice to the upside or to the downside, and I stick to those. That's basically it. I've been teaching trading for 8 years. I teach economics, and that's it. Now I moved over to social media because of COVID. I teach with the smart board behind me on a regular basis, Tuesdays and Fridays, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. I'm in New York. I think, where are you at, Luke? I think that's New York behind you, or am I wrong?
Detroit, guess again. Baby.
Oh,
Detroit, we should have him guess some more.
Detroit. Okay.
Yeah. It's like New York with 1% of the population.
Like the New York vibe. You talk like fast, like you're ready to go. Like, let's go. Let's get it. Next. Let's go. Oh, fuck yeah! This is
okay. That's not what I thought it was gonna be.
Listen, but all right,
let's talk about MRO. What's the deal with MRO? You said you like trading that stock because you get these big up moves, you get these big down moves. What sort of a time horizon are you looking at for those trades?
I'm talking straight day trading, Luke. Straight day trading. I'm talking about this stock has strong support at certain levels, strong resistance at certain levels. It moves very nicely with the SPY. My thing is, I like to find tickers, Luke, that move with the SPY. Because once you have a ticker that moves with the SPY, I call it the crystal ball, the S&P 500, right? So basically, whatever moves the SPY makes, MRO will make similar moves, lagging 3 to 5 seconds behind. For example, you saw that sell-off yesterday, right? I was in that trade. And the second the SPY sold off, I closed my position right there, and it dumped over 30 cents to the downside.
But let me ask you this though. So you like tickers that move with the SPY, but then why don't you just trade SPY at that point? Is it business lags the SPY a little bit, or what's the deal?
Well, because with the SPY, like I said, like it's a crystal ball. So I want a ticker that moves lagging, like you said, with the SPY. So with the SPY moves up or down, whatever. I want a ticker that lags with it. So I have that, I guess you could say, premonition, right? I could foresee what's going to happen with my ticker. That's what it is.
Okay.
And it's cheaper too. Higher profit margin.
There you go. So all right. You like this stock. Did you take any trades today on this one? I have a 2-day chart of MRO.
I followed nicely on the 20 and the 9, and it was above the 200. I love I can do price action, straight trading, but I love having the MACD. I love the VWAP. The 20 is extremely strong when I'm riding the trend to the upside. So yeah, it was a very nice trade this morning with MRO.
Do you have a I don't know if you have a screen you can share with us. If you do, I'd love to see how you set it up and what you put on the chart.
Yeah, of course. I can do that right now. Sure.
Oh shit.
By the
this
way,
is definitely going down for real.
Producer, you were talking about SPY and it went down during COVID and you were shocked. Why? It's because straight fear, producer. Straight fear. That's why the Snapchat went down. You were talking about.
Right.
I was listening to it and I'm like, it's because of fear. You know the saying.
Mm-hmm. And Professor, are you long Dogecoin like producer AB is?
God, no. I don't do hype stocks. I stay away from the GameStops.
It's not hype. There's real technology behind it that's going to change the world.
No, listen, producer, if you want to scalp it, it's on an uptrend right now. Do it. I'm with you on that.
Oh, he 100%. did. He just hit it. He just hit it live on the show.
Yeah, we're going to scalp it. I have my exit point. I'm going to share my screen, and if it hits that exit point, I'm out. But it's going the other direction right now. So we'll see.
Listen, I am
producer AB is going to lose more money on Dogecoin.
scalp Doge all day. It's 24/7. I trade stocks. I invest in crypto. I'm not, the basics, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So for me, Doge is great, but I like to have that break at 4 p.m. I don't want to keep 24/7. I'm going to lose my mind, producer. I'm going to lose my mind. I'm telling you.
No, but with Dogecoin, you can lose money all day, But all right, show us this MRO chart. You've got the smart board. It's going down for real. I mean, we no guests come on with this kind of technology.
I'm here whenever you need me. I'm here whenever you need me. All right, here we go. So if you see this right here, Luke. So you see, where's the 9:30 this morning, the pop this morning? Here we go. It had a great pop this morning, and it went to the upside. And as you can see, my green right here, this is the 200 moving average. The blue lines you see straight here, support lines. So I basically go off the support, and then as you can tell, right here, you got the VWAP, this white line right here. It went, hit the VWAP, came down. Of course, any stock that gets pumped to the upside, it will always come right back down. Remember that. Gravity, right? Think of it that way. And it continued with a nice uptrend. Once it bounced off VWAP, because institutional traders absolutely love VWAP. So you want to go on that. And let's zoom in a little further. By the way, I'm on the 1 minute chart for MRO. Okay. You want to trade, if you're trading, you're scalping it, you want to be on the 1 minute and the 5 minute at the same time. I do the top down approach. You want to look at it mainly from the daily, then the 2 hour, then the 15, the 5, and the 1. And that's it. As you can see the trend, I can also make the trend line right here to show you once you, there we go. You need to connect 3 candles. Once you hit 3 candles, you can just ride this to the upside as far as you need it to go. Basically, it's that simple. If you study charts, instead of running after multiple tickers and just study a couple of blue chips, you can just go to the upside. You'll understand the stocks move either up, down, sideways, consolidation. That's the only 3 ways it goes. And once you master that, the rest is forget about.
Do you have a way to trade stocks that are moving in consolidation kind of sideways, or do you just stay away from those until you see a defined trend?
I stay away from those, producer. I like straight uptrend stocks because it's easier to scalp that way. And you know that even if you miss the entry, it's okay. Like last week I was trading. I got the entry, but it went down. But I knew that the overall trend was to the upside, and that's all that mattered. The overall upside, because it came right back on the trend.
And real quick, guys, I just got to say, I've got to hop. Happy trading, everyone. I'm leaving you. Professor, you're in good hands with producer AB.
Luke, don't leave yet.
Don't leave. Okay.
Luke, don't leave yet. How do I get the names of the things that show underneath? What's going on with that?
Right there.
Oh, how did you do that? How did I turn it back on like that?
I just had to take the banner off that I had his thing on. So when I take it off.
Do you see Luke's new name? What the heck?
Come on now.
Who did that? Why are you now weak?
AB?
Why are you now weak stocks, Luke? Why'd you do that, man?
We're just having fun on a Friday. I had to mess around a little bit.
Well, you notice that producer.
By the way, your lighting is awesome. Good job on that.
Yeah, it is nice.
And Professor, if we send you like a little like Bluetooth headset or lapel mic or something like college professors wear in a big like auditorium class.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, that's a million times better.
I'll bring it closer. Let me see. Hold on. I'll bring it closer.
I did weak stocks, Luke. It wasn't a producer AB. I just put in weak stocks, Luke. I think he missed my BTN ride, and I think and BTN's now at 490. I gave it to you guys at 220, 210. I put in a lot of money into it, and I'm up a lot of money that I want to buy dinner for the office. I don't know but they don't want to go to dinner with me, so I don't know.
I'm sure Professor Day Trade will go to dinner with you.
Does he live here?
I don't know.
I'm
no,
in
he's
New
in New
York,
York.
guys.
He's in New York.
Oh,
Where are you?
Jason was just.
I'm in New York
No,
too.
but yeah,
I'm in New York
Jason's
too.
in New York. So why don't you guys go?
Yeah.
Jason, where are you in New York? I'm in Long Island, Garden City.
He's at 43 and what?
5th.
43 and 5th. There you go.
Gotcha.
All right. So maybe you guys can meet for dinner. Look at that. We're matchmakers on this show too.
I love it.
So Day Trade Professor, do you have any? All
right, Luke, weak stocks, Luke, you can go. I know you have a guest here. So
all right, I've got some weak stocks to trade. Good luck, producer AB, with your live Dogecoin trade you made on the show. Stay in touch, guys. Peace. Happy trading. I will talk to you all soon.
Much love.
Well, Professor, I was just asking if you have anything else besides MRO that you kind of see a defined trend on that you're trading right now.
Yeah, let me see. Hold on. I'll tell you right now. I mainly stick to MRO, but let's see what else we can pull up on the charts. Was this sound that bad, producer?
No, it's just it's just with a little bit of an echo when you were talking that far away from the mic off the walls. But that's what I was saying.
I put it right next to me.
Yeah, it's better. I was saying we're gonna send you a little lapel you can put like that the college professors wear on the big auditorium classes, and then you'll look even more like a real professor.
I love it. Send it for sure. Let me see. Because for today I didn't look at it, but I usually, let's see. Zinga had a nice pop today.
You said Zynga?
Zynga, yeah. So
Benzinga? Benzinga or Zynga? Which symbol? Benzinga symbol or the Zynga, the gamey one?
ZNGA.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I thought you meant Zing. Okay, Car.
Well, let's do this. How about, Professor, you got to hop back on with us whenever you get some more stocks that you see like a defined trend on. That way we can see your strategy for how you're day trading that. And I like what you're saying about how, you teach people how to day trade the right way. You're staying away from penny stocks. You want to do it intelligently. You're not just teaching people to throw money in day trading and thinking they're going to make $1 million and quit their job and everything, right?
Correct. That's what I try to emphasize on. You're 100% right, producer, that this is just like another paycheck. This is, you're not going to make $1 million at the end of the week. It's none of this nonsense. Again, all my content is free. Literally. I know there's a billion courses on the internet. I have a course. It's free. All my content, YouTube, free. I go live for free. I don't need anybody's money. My crypto prints very well. My stocks do very well. Is that I need to get people on the right track. Day trading, listen, it's doable. You can day trade it. Listen, Pokemon cards is good. NFTs is great. It's a lot of things out there that can make you money the right way. That's all it is.
What did you scale out any of your crypto plays like this past week when some of them were getting hurt?
It's so funny you said that. I actually pulled out 25K because I'm getting a motorcycle, and I pulled out 25K right on time. Actually, I pulled it out last week. Coincidentally, by the way, it wasn't anything that I foresaw in the market. I'm like, all right, weather's getting warm. I need to get this it's an electric motorcycle, and I'm like, pulled out 25K, and my portfolio took a little hit, of course, like I'm sure everyone's did. But I pulled out enough on time that I'm a little happy with that decision.
What kind of bike? Let me guess. You don't seem like a Harley guy. I'm gonna say you got a Ducati.
No, it's Tarform. It's a brand new startup right out of New York, but the one I wanted, they don't have ABS feature, which basically prevents it from skidding. So I got the Zero SRS.
Okay, I'll have to check that out. I'm not familiar with those. All right, well, thank you for joining us, Day Trade. Let me throw up your Instagram one more time, and I'll throw it in the chat. So if people want to find you, they can find you there. It's at DaytradeProfessor. Let me throw the link in the chat. And yeah, we'd love to get you back on.
Whenever you want, I'm here. Anytime you want, you let me know and I'll make it happen.
All right, and you got to keep us informed. We connected on Instagram. Keep me informed if you ever see anything you love. Be like, hey man, check out this stock. I love that.
Done. Listen, you get me over 10K, I'll start doing swipe up Benzinga this, Benzinga that. Let's make it happen.
All right, all right, man. Well, have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, producer. Have a good one, everyone.
All right.